Today we're going to check out all the features of the toolbar. Remember to be on your laptop or tablet when editing these sections. Right now, I'm just in an EAP section titled Schedule Overview. I'm going to try to edit some of my stuff. At the top, I see B for bold, I for italicize, and U for underlining. Also, I have S if I want to strike through any words, and I can add subscripts and superscripts. Now, if I think this is all a lot to work with, I can just click the button next to all of this, which clears all the formatting and puts it back to the generic form. Next to this, we have options for numbering and bulleting our content. I can also choose to decrease the indentation or add more indents. Also, we have our generic left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Now, I've got to change my indentation back. The image icon allows us to insert an image, whether it be through an URL or by attaching one. I can choose to upload one from my computer or choose one that's already been in the system. Next to this, I can choose to add a table, and all I need to do is choose the number of rows and columns that I want. Then I can just type up all the content that I want in there. For more on tables, check out our video on how to utilize the table features to your greatest benefit. The next icon may not be used as often unless you want to export this plan to PDF and then print it out. What it does is it inserts a page break for printing. In the next row, I can choose to link some text to our URL. Now here I can also link to an anchor that has previously been in text or through an email. For more on how this works, check out our video on links, forms, and anchors. And of course, we have all of your options for different fonts, different font sizes, colors, and highlighting. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Playbook.